and welcome back to my channel. It's Nita here from Next with Nita, and today I will be sharing 10 Amazon finds. Just kidding. I will be sharing 8 Amazon finds. I actually wanted to do 10, but I felt like 8 was a good number. I found 8 that I really loved. I think it's totally worth getting, and I didn't want to just add in 2 more products just because or just to make it an even 10. So 8 Amazon finds, must-haves. You guys are gonna love these, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. No need to make this super long. First things first is this Yeti. You guys have seen this on my stories. So I was pretty bad at drinking water back in the day, and I love cold water, which I know is not the best for your throat and your body, but it's the only way I drink water, and a ton of it. So I love that the Yeti keeps your water so cold. I just put in a little bit of ice, and literally till the night it is still cold. The ice is still there. You have to be careful about where you purchase these because there's some counterfeit ones and ones that actually don't work. So I'll leave the link down below from where I got mine, but this is wonderful. And another thing I purchased on Amazon, I'm just gonna bundle this in one, is a little lid and straw. So I love drinking out of straws. I feel like I drink more out of a straw, and so this lid and straw combination is also on Amazon. It's like $10, so I will leave a link here. This particular Yeti also comes in a ton of other colors. This is really pretty mint one that I've wanted, but I can't really justify getting it because, like, what am I gonna do with 2 Yetis, right? But this one's super useful, especially if you're struggling to drink water. I would try this and see if you drink more, because I have just by having this. The second thing I want to talk about is Olaplex number 3, this right here. I got this during Amazon Prime Day, but I've had it before. I just ran out. I love this for strengthening my hair. So I use this about once a week, and I love that it totally repairs and it just helps to detangle your hair, especially if I'm feeling like, oh, it's not my best and it's like dry or whatever. I just love putting this mask on. It's good for all hair types, especially if you color your hair like I did maybe 6 months or so ago, and I just still feel like it's a little dry and damaged from it. I love this, and it's just so easy to use, and it's literally meant for like dry, damaged hair. So if you have that, try this. It's on Amazon. Just one more thing about the Olaplex. You can use it 2 different ways. You can just leave it in your hair for maybe 10 or 15 minutes and wash it out. If you want to use it overnight, just make sure you wrap it in a bun, and then of course cover your head so it doesn't get all over your pillow and things like that with like I use like a hair towel, like a little hair turban, and I put that on overnight. So 2 ways you can use it. Either works great. Obviously, if you can put it on overnight, that's even better. But even just putting it on for 10 minutes will still make a difference. I'm sharing these items in no particular order, by the way. So like the next item, it's just what I see, is this mini travel adapter USB cord situation. So it seems like, okay, what? This is just a regular adapter. You can put your chargers in here, your USB cords. However, it is thin. So the ones you get from Apple are just, you know, very thick. And so sometimes, like for me in my room, I only have one outlet next to the bed, and I have like an Apple Watch charger, my Garmin watch charger, my phone charger, my laptop. So I always have to constantly change things out. At least with this, I can put in my Apple Watch charger or my Garmin watch charger, my phone charger, at least like 2 options in here. And it's just a good way to like not have to constantly take things out. And it's also good to travel with, and it just has 2 little sockets for USB cords. So small thing, very techy, but I think it's just a really good investment to make, and it's actually not too expensive. Moving on to number 4, you guys have seen these before. I love these hair ties, these microfiber bow ties. Ajit and I both wear them. They come in a pack of 3. My third one's in Dallas. The third one's like a beige color. There's other color options as well, but this is great to pull your hair back when you're masking or when you're doing your skincare routine. You don't want your like hair getting in on your face or getting onto your face, and it's just also very cute. And if you do masking with your husband or fiance, be sure to tag me in it too, because I'd love to see. We always do masking with the mans, and Ajit without fail will wear these, and they're very soft and cute. So really great to get on Amazon. They're affordable, and it's just cute to have. You can actually see a mask stain here. I need to wash these. Number 5 is something I've shared on Like to Know It and also on Instagram stories, but they're these little nippies, stickies. I like to call them nebulars. Don't judge me. I don't know where that came from, but I'm always like, where's my nebulars? Where are the nebulars? That's what I call them. But they're, of course, little pasties. And I cannot recommend these enough. I have tried so many over the last 5 years, and none compared to these that I found on Amazon. They're $25. They last a very long time. I've been in New York heat and humidity, and it sticks to you really well. It comes in different like shades, and I think a couple of sizes too. So you have options, and totally worth it. I will link it down below, but if you get one thing from this, if you're a girl out there and you struggle and it's with like finding something that is good for summer dresses, strapless dresses, things like that, this is such a good option. Wow, it's getting really personal. You guys know what I put on my nebulars. 3 more items. So this little bag right here, Flathead Products, are straws. Tons of colorful silicone-based straws. So we're trying to do our part and help the environment wherever we can, trying to reduce plastic. And this is such a great option. I love drinking out of straws. As you probably can tell, I literally went out of my way to purchase a lid and straw for my Yeti. But this is a great way to reduce waste if you like drinking out of straws. It's silicone-based, and it comes with a little spoolie. Like, I'll show you. It comes with like this little device right here, so when you're washing in the dishes, you can actually get in there and clean all the gunk out. If you have any, I really just use this for whatever I'm drinking, but it's just a great option. You can put in cans, you can take it to go, travel with it. Moving on to number 7 are these cozy slippers. I've shared these on Like to Know It and my Instagram account as well, but I feel like I haven't shared them enough. I see you guys buying them, but I feel like everyone should own these. They are so stinking cute. There's like, it's pretty thick on the bottom. It's like memory foam right here. So very comfortable to walk around. The bottom is actually waterproof, so if you wanted to, you can wear it outside. It is just a really cute find on Amazon. So cute, and honestly it would make for such a great Christmas gift too. So if you want to invest in these for Christmas, I got a size, I think it was 38-39 is what it says, so 7-8, and I wear a 7.5 and it fits great. So such a steal. I think it also comes in like this cream shade, which is super cute, and also another shade I don't remember, but great find. We're just getting through this video. You guys, it's getting hot in here. Whew. The last item I wanted to share with y'all is this vitamin E oil that I found on Amazon. I'm trying to get to the front of it here for you guys. This is such a struggle. Wherever it is. This vitamin E oil. Holy grail. This is the holy grail. So you guys know I'm suffering with cystic acne. It has been a journey. And one thing that's been like a learning process is how to apply makeup on, because with cystic acne, once it scabs over, it can get very dry and flaky and scabby. Like, it just doesn't look good. So when you apply makeup on it, even if you're not using foundation, even if you're just using concealer, you'll see it just doesn't look good. Like it almost will look better if you don't put anything on it. So it has been a learning process trying to figure out what's going on. Like, I'm using my moisturizer, my oils, my serums, all the things, and my primer, but this little guy is what has made the difference in my skin. So I apply vitamin E oil now every single time I apply vitamin C. Vitamin C and E, by the way, works well together in combination, so I do it every single day, and I apply it specifically even more on my cystic acne spots. Doing so will allow your makeup to go on so flawlessly, so seamlessly. You'll look very hydrated and healthy. You'll have this very healthy, youthful glow. I think we all want that. And so vitamin E has its own benefits, like just anti-aging and all the things, but it's so good for hydrating your skin. I cannot believe I did not find this earlier. I have such dry skin. It's crazy. But it's helped so much with acne and applying makeup on over it. So yeah, that is all. Those are my 8 Amazon must-haves, my 8 Amazon finds. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and we will chat soon. Bye. Just waiting for a cheat to get this situation fully set up patiently. I'm very grateful, but also impatiently waiting.